we got a Kia Sorento 2015, and we've got actual parking sensor fault is the complaint. So we plugged into it as usual, give us an idea of what it is and see if we can actually find the faults. And it blames the rear outer, rear inner, rear left inner, rear left outer, rear right. So that's a lot of parking sensors to go wrong in all in one go, innit? It really is. So let's go and have a look at the back, because that's where the problem is. So let's go and have a look. Okay, there was a cover here, and these weren't, that there wasn't plugged into where it should be. So it's been shaking around, and I've looked in there, and I've looked in there, and as you can see, that's pretty clean. So then I followed the wire up, and oh, what's that? Oh, what's that? Oh, I like that. Oh, what do you reckon of that one? That one looks great. Oh, look at that one there. There's three. So I wonder if these are earth wires or two earth wires that are running those actual sensors. Right, let's get that fixed up, and then we'll see if it fixes the problem. But I think it might, because it goes into the actual parking sensor zone. Right, let me fix those, and I'll show you what we got. Okay, I've soldered them in, and I've used the glue type heat shrink, so it actually glues and stops the corrosion getting in as it's outside. But she's all in. There's a couple of the wires, as you can see, a couple of green bits there, and a couple of green bits there as well. Okay, let's clear codes and see what comes back. I might not have got all of them, but I've checked all the other wires and they look good, but I still may have other problems. But that's a blooming good start, isn't it? Right, let's go and clear some codes, because they always come back. Okay, let's have a look, see what I have. I've got no trouble codes. Can you see that? I haven't even cleared the codes yet. None at all. I haven't even cleared them. Hey, what do you reckon of that? See? Even Dan looks happy. Do you see? No fault codes. Right, let's strap this up and put it back together again. It wasn't a bad find, was it?